Hello. Welcome back to the Big Fat Psychic channel. I'm so pleased to be reading again for you today. Okie dokie, we're going to look at Andrew Lowney, and apparently he's saying the royal family in Thailand have information about Meghan. Some would say yachting, I might say partying, others will say escort. So, you know, we're just going to have a look. I wanted to assess Andrew first. Does Andrew believe that the royal family in Thailand have info on Meghan? Right now it's hearsay, so he said, she said. I'm getting him throwing it out there as well. He's got a lot of competition with royal books, so there's an element of that. Did Meghan ever go to Thailand? I'm getting false claim. I'll test it. Did Andrew go to Thailand? We know he did. Well, there's so much information coming out about Andrew, Prince Andrew, that it would be hard to differentiate. Okay, so I'm going to get with Meghan false claims here. Has Meghan seen the information Andrew's putting out about it in Thailand? Yes, and she's real happy about it. Why is she happy? Because he's made a mistake. What will she do? She's gonna sue him. She's gonna sue him. Guys, I have to say, you know, in this instance, I don't believe this is true. Meghan Markle is many things, and I could believe almost anything of her. But I have to say what I say, and I'm saying bumping up a book, exaggerating, but this is false claims as well. You know, this does affect Andrew in some way, because it's, you know, a lot more shit, because he used to go to Thailand apparently, so it drags him into it. She's thinking this is great news, you know, it's all over, everybody's retweeting about it. She could sue a lot of people. She wants an apology. But the best thing is, I want to know this. Now, it may or not be correct, but I did a reading on this book, I don't know, something tells me 2 months ago, I can't remember. Time just flies, doesn't it? It could have been last year. But anyway, I did a reading on this book, and I did say, I did get that, and I said he has to be careful. But then I also said I felt Meghan had planted stories. Did Meghan plant stories to target Andrew Lowney? unable to walk away. Well, you know, that to me is her saying it to him. You can't get out of it now. And he has said those things. Did Meghan have any involvement in Andrew Lowney's book? Did she contribute in any way, directly or indirectly? With him knowing, yes or no? With him knowing? No. What about with him out knowing? Yes. She'll have been driving some stories as well. How will Harry feel about Andrew Lowney and Meghan suing him? Wants to ruin him. Does Harry want Meghan to not sue? He doesn't want her suing. And why is that then? There's no way she's going to have that. So it could be that, you know, a lot of stories come up from the past. Okay, why doesn't Harry want Meghan to sue Andrew Lowney? Maybe there's stuff in there that he doesn't would want to come out, you know, if look, this is definitely false, but maybe Harry's thinking don't say anything, you know, don't do anything. Do the same as the royals, no comment. Outcome for Meghan. Clapping back, doing something she usually does, mentioning the royals as well. I don't know, yeah, I've got, what does she, what's the outcome? Oh, loads of money. What's the outcome for Harry in this? Yeah, he's worried sick. Oh yeah, worried sick, you know, like somebody's going to pull a stunt. He'll be waiting for things as well. You know what? Harry's normally bang on the lawyers, but in this case, he would be worried. Does Harry fear? Does Harry fear? Actually, what does Harry fear? That'll be better. He fears. What's he doing there? He's pulling a stunt. So that stunt I said about Tommy Robinson, well, that'll be Ezra from Rebel News. I still don't understand what went on there, guys. Okay, I haven't got a clue. More than one account, more than one account. I don't really know. I just know there's a stunt around it, and well, that's it really. I'm getting an account. I don't know why, but maybe it's an account on the internet. Would Harry like, you know, everybody to give Meghan a backlash? No, I don't. Okay, outcome for Andrew Lowney, please. He'll fight it all the way. Will Andrew settle? Has someone been making false claims to Andrew Lowney? Absolutely. And that's another thing that I said with Andrew in that reading about his sources. You know, some of them had been planted, and I really do feel like Megan's done this. And it's like she's pulled another stunt, you know. According to Harry, it's like, what on earth has she done? Don't forget, she set up her father, so she has got form for this. And then obviously, you know, contributing to people's books. We all know she had. Did she have 5 friends, really? I don't think so. I don't see 5 friends want to perjure themselves, but there you go. Yeah, I think that there's false information. I think Andrew's got trouble here, and because he said it on YouTube, on a video, he said it. So Meghan might want to sue. She's only going to sue, you know, if she knows she didn't do it. The irony. Will Meghan Markle sue Andrew Lowney? Yes, absolutely. Will she win? It's an apology she wants. Oh, she's going to cry out. It's affected my mind, you know, made me physically ill, my body. I've lost, you know, like I've lost lots of income. And I've had to take pills. Oh, she's going to milk this. She's going to milk it. Will Andrew win? No. No, no, no. So I don't know if this is all blown up yet, or, you know, if it's something coming on the way. I don't know. It's been said as well. Nothing in the mainstream media, just, you know, Andrew Lowney. There's some shorts. Is on these short things, and you can just click on them and it'll take you right to that thing where I'm telling you about. Okay, so she's gonna sue. It's not true, and Andrew's in trouble, as I previously warned. And the other thing is, I believe absolutely that she put information out there. It's a trick. She was going for him. It's a setup. Okay, guys, well, that's it from me. I'm glad we got there in the end. Thank you very much for all your hypes as well. I have been hyping away back, sending you messages. Thank you so much. Thank you to my new viewers, subscribers, and my, what do I call you? All faithfuls? Oh, just a brilliant bunch of guys, aren't you? Well, not guys, women and men, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, won't drag it out. Okay, my lovelies, I will be back tomorrow with another reading. Bye now. Bye bye.